Press the igniter lightly and turn it to the ignition position. Hold the igniter button. You will hear a continuous clicking sound during ignition. Once the burner is lit, continue holding the igniter for 5 to 10 seconds to prevent the flames from going out. Then turn the knob to the high flame position and switch on the electronic control panel. Alternatively, you may turn on the electronic control panel first and then switch the knob to the high flame position. Press and hold the power button to turn on the unit. When melt appears, the unit is in oil melting mode. Set the target temperature. Note, button 10 represents 0. Press the time settings button again to save the current settings. Press and hold the time settings button to enter time settings. Select the menu you want to set. 2 means cooking time. Set the target time, then press time settings to save. Show means shake time, set the target time. DRP means drain time. SNS means time compensation. Press time settings again to save. Press the time settings button briefly and enter password 1654. When boil appears, oil melting mode is cancelled. Enter the password again to return to melting mode. Press the time settings button briefly and enter password 1658 to switch the temperature unit. Enter the password again to switch back to the original unit. Press the time settings button briefly and enter password 1659 to enter temperature compensation. After settings, press time settings again to save. Remove the parts from the filter cart. Place the filter paper. Flatten the filter paper and fit it into the 4 positioning slots. Reinstall the filter cart parts in order. Add the filter powder. Reinstall the crumb screen and top cover. Push the filter cart back under the fryer. Turn the drain valve to the left to drain the oil into the filter cart. Press the filter button on the left side of the fryer. The unit will automatically pump the oil back into the vat.